Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Electronic Arts website. Now from this page, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the sign in button. After signing into your account, click on the same profile icon and then click on account settings. You will now be taken into your account settings page for your EA account. Now from this page, underneath basic information, you will find your username or your EA ID. You can click on the edit button if you wish to change your username. Now you can change your user ID if you wish to do so from this page as well. And you can also add your first and your last name if you wish to do so. Just go ahead and type in your desired ID for your EA account, and as long as this username has not been used, you can set up this username as your own. Click on the save button after making your changes and your new username will immediately be changed. If you set up your real name within your basic information, it will also appear alongside the real name option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.